Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Steam not launching games problem. Let's fix it guys. The first solution will solve the problem if the problem is caused by Steam. First step we need to do run Steam as admin. To do this, right click on the Steam and select open file location. Right click on the steam.exe and select properties. Select compatibility tab and checkmark run this program as an administrator. Select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, close it up here. Now launch the Steam. The second step is to turn off Steam overlay guys. To do this, you just need to click on Steam on the top and select settings. On left side, select in game. On right side, you just need to toggle off Steam overlay guys. Toggle it off. And after toggling off, on left side select downloads. On right side select clear cache and select confirm. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution will solve the problem if the problem is caused by a specific game. The first step we need to disable full screen optimization. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, click on library, right click on the game you have problem with and select manage and select browse local files. Right click on the game and select properties. Select compatibility tab. In here you just need to check mark disable full screen optimizations and select apply and OK for save changes. Now for the second step you just need to copy this file path guys. Just to copy it, right click on it and copy it. After copying it, the second step is to set our game to high performance guys. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type graphics settings. Click on open the graphics settings. Select browse. Copy and paste the file path over here. Press enter. Now select the game and select add. And now click on the option. Click on high performance and select save. Now close it up here. The third step is to verify our game files guys. To do this, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the game and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After finish verifying, you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to reset Steam guys. Resetting Steam will not harm to our game guys. To do this, you just need to close it off here. Just right click on the Steam and select open file location. In here you need to delete everything except Steam games and user data and steam.exe. To do this, you just need to press in keyboard Ctrl+A to select all of these and press in Ctrl and select Steam and scroll up and uncheck user data and Steam apps, uncheck it. And now you just need to right click on the other files and select delete it guys. If any files are not be deleted, then you just need to close the Steam guys. Click on this system tray icon, right click on the Steam and select exit Steam. Now select try again. And now after deleting these files, now open the steam.exe. Now the Steam will download the deleted files guys. Now log into Steam. After logging to your account, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.